From the outside, the flow boiler looks like any other boiler. It's the same shape and the same size. It's on the inside that it's special. The flow boiler employs innovative technology to generate low-cost, low-carbon electricity while it uses gas to heat your home. The clever engineers at Flow have used the finest quality parts and materials sourced from the very best European manufacturers and configured them in a novel way in our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Livingston, Scotland, to produce the world's first affordable electricity generating boiler. The Flow boiler is unique and it's patented worldwide. You can't get a boiler like this anywhere else. So here's how the flow boiler works. Gas burns in the combustion chamber just like a normal boiler. But instead of directly heating water for your heating and hot water tank, this heats up a liquid within the boiler. As the liquid is heated, it evaporates. The resulting vapor moves through a device called a scroll expander. As the vapor moves through the scroll, it causes it to spin. At this point, the scroll is acting like a mini generator or dynamo. This is how the flow boiler generates electricity. The electricity can then be used in your home or exported to the national grid for other households to use. The vapor that caused the scroll to spin and generate electricity then enters a small heat exchanger and condenses back into a hot liquid, which heats water for your heating system and hot water tank. The liquid is then pumped around to be heated and evaporated again, continuously converting heat from the burnt gas into electricity and heat for your home. So that's it, the unique flow boiler, intelligently engineered by the clever people here at Flow. The flow boiler launches in January 2015. Our launch version is suitable for 3 to 5 bedroom houses and needs a separate hot water tank. But our team are working on versions for smaller houses and for bigger houses, and they're creating a combi version too. So register your details now, and you can be part of the most exciting vision for home energy there has ever been.